Welcome to this demonstration of Dolby Show Manager. When you launch Dolby Show Manager, this will be the basic display. This is the Monitor tab. To view the current version of the system, please click on the Dolby logo in the lower left-hand corner, and it will show you the system version you are running. There are two modes. One is SMS, or Screen Management Server, which will only show you one screen in the display. The view that you are seeing here is the TMS view, which will show you more than one screen at a time. In the upper left-hand corner, you can click on the drop-down box to select any of the available screens to control them. The Monitor tab shows you the individual auditoriums arranged by auditorium number on the left-hand side. The name of the show that is selected, or the name of the clip that is selected, what state the system is in. All three of these are currently in ready. If we start playback in auditorium number 2 and move back to the monitor page, we will see that the state changes to running. We have a display that shows us how long until the end of the show or current clip, any cues that may be coming up, and the fader volume of the auditorium. The control page allows us to select, play, and jump to any timecode position in a clip or show. The name of the show will always be included at the top of the screen. The name of the current clip will be shown below that. This content is Dolby Atmos content. The license is not needed. It is unrated. It is not known if this is flat or scope, and the total duration of the show is 1 minute and 42 seconds. This show will end in 37 seconds and is currently unscheduled on the scheduler. We have several controls down at the bottom of the screen. We have a play button, pause button, stop button, and controls that will bring us to the previous reel or to the next reel in the show. We are currently in manual control mode, meaning that we can select another show for playback, or we could put the system into the schedule mode and allow the system to play back all of the scheduled events. Let's stop the show. We have a 2D or 3D mode selector, which, depending on the media block that you are using, allows you to select 2D, 3D content, Dolby 3D, or Real D. With a Cat 745 IMB, you will also have the ability to select the input. Server means that you will be playing back DCPs. HDMI 1 and HDMI 2 are located on the front panel of the Cat 745. You can jump to any point in the show or clip timeline by pressing the arrow button here. You can then type in the timeline position you want to start playback from, and the system will then move to that section in the clip or show. If you are using a third-party sound processor, you will see the disconnected state for the audio panel here. If you are using a Dolby processor, you will see the mute and fader controls for this sound processor. If you're using a CP850 Dolby Atmos sound processor, you will have a display that will tell you if you are playing in Dolby Atmos or not. In the lower right-hand corner is the Lights Automation tab. Any automation commands that are designated as lights will be shown here. This concludes the monitor and control page of Dolby Show Manager.